When I put this robe on, you know what's about to go down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen, also known as Arike. So on this video, I'm going to do something similar to what I've done in one of my previous videos. If you remember, I did like a quarantine clear out where I cleared out some of the things in my wardrobe. And I asked if everyone wanted to see like an African edition. And I had a few people like comment down below, and a few people actually DM'd me saying they would love to see an African version of it. So literally, your wish has been granted. So before this video starts, make sure you guys thumbs up this video and subscribe down below. And make sure to turn on your bell notifications on, so that you know when I upload my next video. So yeah, so I did an African version of clearing out my wardrobe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the outfits I do try on. I don't know if they're gonna fit me. We don't really know. I haven't even opened the suitcase. We'll just see how it goes as we keep recording, I guess. Yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is outfit number 1. As you can tell, this is hella tight for me. I can't even zip it up properly at the back, but I'm sure you can kind of see the idea I was going for. I got this like nice pink lace design at the top because this was the material I was given. Yeah, and I also added a bit more of the lace that was here at the little mermaid part here, just to give it a little bit of like a coordinated look. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress. Like, you just feel so nice and like sleek in it. It's just hella cute. Like, the vibes were just giving me like princess, kind of like, you know, I mean, all these dresses kind of give you princess vibes, but it's cute. That's all that matters. So this is the next outfit I have. Well, I mean, it was meant to be an outfit, but like, hold on, these were not trying to fit. Like, I was really battling like these trousers to try and make them fit. I'm sure you could just try and imagine what they were on, ignore my basketball shorts. But yeah, this was like such a cute outfit. I got this outfit made for my dad's birthday bash. This was a few years back. But yeah, so it was kind of like a 2-piece, as you can tell. They kind of joined together, making it kind of looked like a jumpsuit. Yeah, it was just a cute outfit, wasn't it? Like, the top, again, I didn't realize the zipper at the back of this top is jammed. I can't really zip it up, but I'm sure you can like understand the look like that was trying to be achieved. Like, the look that was achieved. Like, I served looks on my dad's birthday. The material's the same for the top and the bottom. I just add extra lace attached to the sleeves to make it a bit of like a long sleeve. It is really nice. I had this made by a really close family friend. She is so talented. She literally brought everything I designed in my head to life. I can say all the outfits I do in this video was designed by me. Was not made by me yet. I feel like a few years back I was just a bit of a fashionista, wasn't I? Because I was just designing outfits left and right. Literally, like, any party I knew we were going to, I had to wear my own design to that party. Like, I was that kind of girl. This top can still sew a lot of looks. What I'm just gonna do, probably after this video, I'm gonna try and fix the zip at the back and get it replaced. Once I replace the zip, you're definitely gonna see this top come up on my Instagram feed one of these days. You're definitely gonna see more of this top because I'm not ready to give this top away. Cause, I mean, what do you mean? So next I have this really chic blazer. I mean, just look at this blazer. Everything about this blazer just screams like boss bee. Do you know what I mean? One thing I love about really like feminine blazers that like kind of like puts the look together for me is this curve at the bottom. When I was designing this blazer, I made sure to point out that I wanted a curve at the bottom because I'm not really a fan of like boxed blazers, if you know what I mean. Just like the normal casual blazers, shoulders look a bit more broad and it just kind of look a bit more like a Hulk, do you know what I mean? So I really wanted to make sure that I had this nice curve just to like, you know, kind of put, just, I don't know, just put everything together. I feel like without the curve, this blazer would look completely different. I feel like I'm not gonna get rid of this blazer yet. I've not had the opportunity to actually serve looks in this blazer. The reason I did get this blazer, I wasn't able to go to that event. So this blazer is kind of just like been sitting there. It's been catching dust. This blazer's probably been around for like 2+ years now, but it still fits really well. It is meant to be a bit of a longer sleeve, and it's a bit shorter now, but it's still a look. And I feel like I can serve really nice looks. Obviously, I can't pair it very well with my basketball shorts, but like I'm sure you can vision what this blazer would look like fully dressed. I've just never really been a fan of blazers, but considering I really had to wear a blazer for like 5 years of high school, does not make any sense. I hated blazers. I hate the way they used to fit, the little boxed shoulders to make your shoulders look a bit more broad. I did not like any of it. So when I was getting this blazer made, I made sure to make it really feminine and just, you know, just add a little bit of that, you know, the Arike sauce. When I put this dress on, nobody can chat to me. This is the final dress. As you can tell, I can't zip it up at the back, and I know you know why. I can't turn around to show what the back looks like, because honestly, I'm not trying to do that on the internet. This dress was made for my auntie's wedding. This was in 2000 when? This dress was made for me in 2016. So obviously it was a very, very, very long time ago. I actually did not deep how long ago this dress was made. In this dress, I was snatched. In this dress, nobody can chat to me. Once I put this dress on, you can't chat to me. Like, this was my dress, do you know what I mean? And I loved how high neck this was. I don't know, remember what inspired me to design this dress for the wedding. I just kind of wanted like a bit of a classy babe look. When I did have this set, I had my hair like a bun at the back, and I don't know, I just felt like a classy boss bee. Do you know what I mean? Like, this dress was just that dress. So yeah, so design pretty simple. The design was for me to have it like some long sleeve. As you can tell, the arms are fully laced. Then obviously the body part is lined with the matching material. This part of the dress has I always forget the name for them, but it's to like kind of give the dress structure, because I liked the kind of like structured look at the top. That's why I wanted it to have a high neck. So I don't know, I just feel like with the whole thing just kind of looks like a structured dress, do you know what I mean? I wish I could show you the back to see what the back looks like, but it's just basically like a V. So the way I made this dress in mine was kind of like an opposite of the normal dress, because you know, like normal dresses would have like a V at the top and then like this at the back. I basically switched that around, so this is like the front is high up and then the back is kind of goes low into a V. I don't know, this dress just used to give me different kinds of sauce. Like, you get a different kind of sauce with this dress. I love this dress so much. Like, I feel like I just look so snatched in this dress. Like, are you seeing the way my body fits in this dress? Like, what? This dress had me feeling some kind of way. Like, I love this dress so much. I wish like I could zip it up so I could fully serve this dress. I feel like I wish I could give this dress the energy it deserves, because I mean, just to look at it, you know what I mean? Like, just look at the dress, like you know this was a bad B dress. Look at the looks I was serving. 16-year-old Helen was serving looks. Like, I was serving looks, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I did try on some pieces that I could find. I actually do have a few more dresses left. Those dresses are like, they're like up here. One of the dresses that I actually did not try on was meant to be my prom dress for college, but unfortunately I couldn't have prom in college, and the dress was already made, and I literally traveled the same day anyway that my prom was meant to be on. But yeah, so my prom was cancelled and I already had a dress made for it. So I really have like a really fancy prom dress that was personally made for me, just sitting in a suitcase. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. I'm telling you, the dress is extra. Like, it literally has a whole like veil. I may try and put that into a part 2 of this video. I was gonna put them all into this video, but honestly, trying to change into all these dresses has actually been a chore. Like, I am so tired because half of them don't fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you turn on your bell notifications on so you know when I upload my next video. All my socials will be linked down below, so make sure to follow me on all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.